Fresh Homes, I like one thing about that they were very prompt. When I contacted them, they were very prompt to respond to the call. Their quotation, their measurements were very accurate. Pricing was also very economical. Actually, we had a very tight timeline to within which the work has to be completed. Our the housewarming party was planned in a very short time, so we were under stress, and all civil work, electrical work, as well as the air condition work was going on simultaneously, parallelly. So the Fresh Home team coordinated well with other teams and also helped them to complete their work. And I don't see any issue when they were carrying out the work with other teams. So it was a well coordinated effort with other teams, I will say. They also explained us in detail the products which they are going to use and the process of how the work will be done. So that transparency put us a lot of ease. And also we were looking for a one-stop solution which will provide us false ceiling as well as painting work. They also suggested us the texture in the stencil work which we should use for the bedrooms. And the stencil work which they have done in my master bedroom, which has come out very well. And it is giving a very elegant look to the master bedroom. They also suggested a few things like hanging lights, chandelier and other things also. So which is coming out very well and it's looking very nice. I am very glad and delighted with the end product. My family is very happy with the end product and we are very glad that we selected Fresh Homes, and we will like to recommend to Fresh Homes for painting and false ceiling work.